Losing Hope by Colleen Hoover, the companion to Hopeless. Colleen Hoover, celebrated for her emotionally charged and compelling narratives, offers an intense companion piece to her best-selling novel Hopeless with Losing Hope. This novel invites readers to delve deeper into the emotional landscape of the characters, providing a unique perspective on the events that transpired in Hopeless. While Hopeless is primarily told from the perspective of Skye, Losing Hope gives voice to Dean Holder, offering readers a profound exploration of his thoughts and feelings. This shift in perspective enriches the narrative, revealing new layers of understanding and empathy. An insight into the plot. The narrative of Losing Hope mirrors the story in Hopeless, but through the eyes of Holder, the male protagonist. At the outset, we find Holder grappling with the heart-wrenching loss of his sister, Les, whose suicide has left a gaping wound in his life. This tragedy shapes much of Holder's emotional journey, pushing him into a tumultuous world of guilt and self-recrimination. As he tries to navigate through his grief, Holder is haunted by the belief that he failed his sister, a burden that heavily influences his interactions and relationships. Holder's world takes a sharp turn when he encounters Skye, a girl who bears an uncanny resemblance to a childhood friend who vanished without a trace. This meeting ignites a series of emotional upheavals, as Holder is drawn into a whirlwind of past memories and unresolved emotions. Through his eyes, readers experience the complexities of reuniting with someone who was once lost, and the emotional turmoil that accompanies such a reunion. Themes and learnings. The power of perspective. Losing Hope underscores the importance of perspective in storytelling. By shifting the narrative to Holder's viewpoint, Hoover enriches the story, providing readers with a deeper understanding of the characters' inner worlds. This approach highlights how different perspectives can offer fresh insights into familiar stories, encouraging readers to consider multiple viewpoints in their own lives. The weight of grief and guilt. A central theme in Losing Hope is the devastating impact of grief and guilt. Holder's journey is a poignant exploration of how these emotions can shape one's actions and perceptions. Hoover expertly delves into the complexities of processing loss, illustrating how guilt can manifest in various forms and influence relationships. Through Holder's experiences, readers learn the importance of self-forgiveness and the necessity of confronting one's past to heal. Healing through connection. The novel emphasizes the healing power of human connection. Holder's relationship with Skye becomes a catalyst for his emotional recovery, illustrating how meaningful connections can provide solace and understanding. Hoover portrays the transformative power of love and empathy, suggesting that true healing often requires opening oneself to vulnerability and trust. Identity and self-discovery. As Holder navigates his tumultuous emotions, he embarks on a journey of self-discovery. Losing Hope explores the theme of identity, as Holder grapples with understanding who he is beyond his grief and guilt. The narrative encourages readers to reflect on their own identities, acknowledging the impact of past experiences while remaining open to growth and change. Redemption and forgiveness. Redemption is a powerful theme in Losing Hope, as Holder seeks forgiveness both from himself and from those around him. Hoover illustrates the challenges of seeking redemption, emphasizing the courage required to confront one's mistakes and the strength needed to ask for forgiveness. This theme resonates deeply, offering readers a hopeful message about the possibility of renewal and second chances. Character development. Holder's character is intricately developed, with Hoover providing a nuanced portrayal of a young man navigating complex emotions. His internal struggles are vividly depicted, allowing readers to empathize with his journey. Through his interactions with Sky, his family. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.